Hello student, you are welcome in online teaching. Today we learn Standard 7 Subject Science, Lesson number 12, the muscular system and digestive system in human beings. In this session, we learn how to write the exercise lesson number 12, the muscular system and digestive system in human beings. Let us see the question number 1. Fill in the blanks with the right word from the brackets. यहाँ पे आंसर रेड कलर से लिखा हुआ है और यहाँ पे आंसर ब्रैकेट में भी दिया गया है, उसमें से राइट आंसर क्या है उसको लिखना है, तो आंसर रेड कलर से लिखा हुआ है। इस तरह से आप भी लिख सकते हैं। नंबर 1, द प्रोसेस ऑफ डाइजेशन स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द डॉट डॉट stomach, mouth. Your answer is mouth. Question B, eyelids have dot dot muscles, voluntary, involuntary. Your answer is voluntary. C, question number C, dot dot is not a function of the muscular system, production of blood cells, performing movements. Your answer is production of blood cells. Question number D, muscles of the heart are dot dot ordinary muscles, cardiac muscle. Your answer is cardiac muscle. Question number E, pushing forward the food that has been chewed in the function of the dot dot stomach, esophagus. Your answer is esophagus. Question number 2, find a match for me. ग्रुप ए एंड ग्रुप बी में दो तरह से दिया गया है। ग्रुप ए का ग्रुप बी से मैच करना है, तो ग्रुप ए का में दिया गया है कार्डिक मसल्स आर ब्रॉट अबाउट बाय मसल्स, थर्ड पेप्सिन, फोर्थ क्रैम्प्स, फिफ्थ स्केटल मसल। ग्रुप बी में दिया है ए ऑलवेज फंक्शन इन पेयर, बी वी नेवर फील टायर्ड, सी अनकंट्रोल एंड पेनफुल कंट्रैक्शन ऑफ मसल्स, डी चीविंग मोमेंट्स ऑफ जा, ई एंजाइम ऑफ द गैस्ट्रिक जूस। तो लेट अस सी द आंसर। नंबर 1, कार्डिक मसल। योर आंसर इज वी नेवर फील टायर्ड। Question number 2, are brought about by muscle. Answer is chewing movements of jaw. Third, pepsin. Answer is enzyme of the gastric juice. Fourth, cramps. Answer is uncontrolled and painful contraction of muscles. Fifth, skeletal muscles. And your answer is always function in pairs. इस तरह से कोई आंसर दिया गया है, आप इसकी मदद से अपना लिख सकते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, हु इज टेलिंग लाई। यहाँ पे आर्गन्स हैं और स्टेटमेंट्स हैं, तो जो स्टेटमेंट्स है क्या सही है कि गलत है, इसको चॉइस करना है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, टंग, माई टेस्ट बर्ड्स कैन टेल ओनली स्वीट टेस्ट। योर आंसर इज टंग इज लाइंग, इट कैन सेंस ऑल डिफरेंट टेस्ट। सेकेंड, लीवर, आई एम द लार्जेस्ट ग्लैंड इन द बॉडी। योर आंसर इज लीवर इज टेलिंग द ट्रूथ। Third, large intestine, I am 7.5 meters long. Answer, large intestine is lying, its length is 1.5 meter long. Fourth, appendix, digestion is impossible without me. Answer, appendix is lying, it does not perform any function in human body. Fifth, lung, I play an important role in exertion. Answer, lung is telling partial lying, it can perform function of exertion but not as important role as performed by kidney. Question number 4, give reasons. Food becomes acidic in the stomach. Answer, the wall of the stomach has gastric glands that produce mild hydrochloric acid. Due to this, the food becomes acidic in the stomach. Question number 2, cardiac muscles are said to be involuntary muscles. Your answer, the muscles of heart do not function according to our will. They continuously work throughout the lifetime by involuntary smooth muscles. Third, intoxicating substances should not be consumed. Consuming intoxicating addictive substances can cause harm to our health. Tobacco, smoking, cigarettes, consuming alcohol are bad addictive habits. Some of these also cause cancer of various organs. The functioning of their system of the body is disturbed due to such habits. Therefore, intoxicating substances should not be consumed. Fourth, your muscles should be strong and efficient. The muscles of the body become strong and healthy due to proper proteinous diet and exercise. With such muscles, we can perform many activities. If the muscles are not healthy, there can be various painful problems. Therefore, the muscles should be strong and efficient. Question number 5. Answer the following. How many types of muscles are there? Which are these types? Answer. The muscles are three main types. First is skeletal or voluntary muscles. Second is cardiac muscle. Third is smooth or involuntary muscles. B. What causes the problems of acidity? What is effects on the body? Answer. Acid is produced by stomach. It is mild 0.5% HCl. If excess of acid is produced, it causes headache, heartburns, vomiting or skin rashes. C. Name the different types of teeth. What is the function of each teeth? Answer. There are main four types of teeth. These are incisors, canines, premolars and molars. Incisors help in biting, breaking some things into a piece or for peeling. Canines are not well developed in herbivorous animals and man. They are basically for killing a prey. Premolars and molars help in chewing and grinding the food. Question number 6. Sketch and label a diagram of the digestive system and describe in your own words. तो डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम का डायग्राम बनाना है. यहाँ पे बना हुआ है डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम का डायग्राम. उसका नाम भी लिखा हुआ है. ऊपर से नीचे तक आप देख सकते हैं. माउथ, थैरैक्स, सैलिवरी ग्लैंड्स, एस्फोगस, लीवर, गॉल ब्लैडर, स्टमक, पैनक्रियाज, लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन, स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन, एनस. इस तरह से आप डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम का जो है डायग्राम बना करके लेबल करेंगे. इसका नाम लिख सकते हैं और इसको डिस्क्राइब करने के लिए इसके बारे में भी लिख सकते हैं. तो यहाँ पे डिस्क्राइब किया गया है. फर्स्ट वन, माउथ. द फूड दैट इज ingested is broken down into small bites by teeth. The tongue helps to understand the taste. The food is mixed with the saliva by tongue. After the morsel gulps, it enters the pharynx. Pharynx is the pharynx, the esophagus of trachea open when food is gulped. The small flaps called epiphyseals covers the opening of trachea. This makes the food to enter into esophagus. This is the first part of the alimentary canal. It starts from thorax and ends in stomach. The stomach is a large J-shaped bag. There is gastric glands in the wall of stomach. They secrete gastric juice. It has mild hydrochloric acid, pepsin and mucus. The food is churned into semi-solid slurry and mixed with gastric juice in the stomach. The food becomes acidic in the stomach. The preliminary digestion of proteins is done by the enzymes pepsin present in the gastric juice. The mucus protects the inner lining of the stomach. The slurry of semi-digested food is passed into small intestine from the stomach. Small intestine is a very long, narrow, tube-like part of alimentary canal. It is about 6 meters long. Here two main functions take place: completion of digestion and absorption of nutrients. The intestinal juice from wall of small intestine, the bile juice secreted by the liver, and the pancreatic juice secreted by the pancreas are mixed with the food. Here the digestive enzymes from these secretions act on the food and complete the process of digestion here. The soluble nutrients which are not ready for absorbed in the blood vessels. Large intestine is about 1.5 meters and is wider in diameter. It has two parts, colon and rectum. There is a small functionless appendix near the beginnings of large intestine. The water is reserved here in the large intestine and the fecus is formed. The undigested and unwanted matters from the food is thrown out through the anus. Associated digestive glands. The digestive glands are as follows: salivary glands. Three pairs of salivary glands open in the mouth. They are located near ear, under the tongues, and in the pharynx. These glands secrete saliva, which contains salivary amines or pectine. The food is mixed with these enzymes in the mouth. Starch is converted into maltose by this enzyme. Liver is the largest gland in the human body. It stores the glucose. There is a gallbladder near the liver. The bile juice secreted by the liver is stored into the gallbladder. The bile juice helps in the emulsification of fats. Bile juice contains bile salates in the bile pigments. Your